Welcome to the presentation of be.as web apps. All be.as functions can be accessed by any handheld device which has a browser. We will present a real one-click installation. You need not more than 5 minutes of time and a notebook to have all functions available, and you get an overview how easy it is to customize your web application to add user-defined fields and additional functions. So what is needed for a web application? At first you need a web server, there are some PHP extensions, there's a web application itself, you have the database, and there are a lot of ini files and language settings. How to install the be.as web apps? Go to Administration, Web Apps, Manage Server. Then this window appears with one single button. Press for installation and all functions are installed automatically. The connection is established. As you see here, files are loaded from web, they are unzipped, and the installation process starts. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, this process could take some minutes. When it's ready, this window opens. This is the main window to manage be.as web apps. For more detailed information, please refer to the training slides. To start, you need these 4 checkboxes flagged. We start the be.as server. You can also set up this as a service, it runs always, and the next step, we start the client. So you see a window opens. You can log on with your card number and you have all the functions available. So for example, if you want to have some information about stock of this item, you have a list with the quantities. You can toggle between the bin locations to hide or to show them. You can do some stock transfer. Choose the batches, choose the warehouse, put in the quantity, and the posting is processed. This menu can be customized for each employee, so it's not only the language settings, but also which menu item is available. You can create time-depending menus or manage the authorizations. Please refer to the appropriate training slide. Now let's have a look at the enormous flexibility of be.as web apps. We want to adjust the login screen. The employee should have the possibility to enter the shift he is working in. We open the device administration, creating a new device. In this case is terminal. Then we enter the description of the UDF to be added. We say we want to have a drop-down field and we have a rule. Then we need only to connect the client to this type of device, and at the next start it will be available. We start the client, the login field opens, and now as you see we have a new field and we can select the shift. Another example of use could be the label management for goods received from production. So again, we choose the application, we enter the UDF, and you see the result. A new field appears at the good received from production. In this case, we want to create a UDF called batch number date, and we want to link this information to the posting. At the moment the item is posted to the bin location, we want to have this information transferred. All what we need to do is to enter a script, as you see below. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. For more and detailed information, please refer to the training slides, visit our website, or follow us on Twitter. Thank you for your attention.